Welcome back to Apotheon as we continue through Hades. Oh, there's House Hades. I gotta do these. They blew themselves up. Another little... For Hades is mighty in holding mortals to account under the earth, and he observes all things within his mind, inscribes them. Oh. Can't really see shit over... Oh!
I can feel the warmth.
Oh, I'm back. Shit.
Touch of skin.
Oh! Shit, almost got me. It's hard to navigate around here. And I got a lockpick, so let's check this out.
I just want to feel again.
Headed in. There's one chest up there somewhere. Oh. That works for me. This looks like a run away from the fire type level. So I'm gonna... Yeah, it sure... Whoa, fuck. Yeah, I'm not trying to go for any items that's gonna try to suck me into trying to get before a timer runs out. Oh, shit. Why can't I... Okay. There we go. We got this. Okay, I got this. I got this. Don't even worry about him. Okay, I got this. Oh. Oh. Fire sword's not that good. I already have one. Shit. What the? Why? This is bullshit. I don't even know. I hit all of them. So is there an invisible one? I don't know. Alright, I need to have this ready to go. And just standard arrow. Guess I need to block something. Alright, didn't get caught as... Whoa. I don't know if there's a way to get through that better. Okay. Now let's get to the hard part. Okay, I don't know why those didn't work before. Yeah, I didn't need the extra armor stuff. That was fine. So I think that one's sorted.
I just want to... We're so cold.
Stay that way.
I can feel the warmth.
Uh-oh. Need to get the fuck out of here.
I feel
Let's read this real quick. Zeus came to the bed of all-nourishing Demeter, and she bare white-armed Persephone, whom Hades carried off from her mother, but wise Zeus gave her to him. Oh, get out of there. Oh, then she caused the most dreadful and cruel year for mankind over the all-nourishing earth. The ground would not make the seed sprout, for rich-crowned Demeter kept it hidden. In the fields the oxen drew many a curved plough in vain, and many white barley was cast upon the land without avail. So she would have destroyed the whole race of man with cruel famine, and have robbed them who dwell upon Olympus of their glorious right of gifts and sacrifices, for she vowed that she would never set foot on fragrant Olympus, nor let fruit spring out of the ground until she beheld with her eyes her own fair-faced daughter. That was weird looking. Alright. There's a little bit of treasure up top, too. Another boat. Oh. This must surely be a boat fight. I'll try a long spear. Good. One shot him with this. Works for me. Just waiting there. As long as they're one at a time, I can take them. Very nice, very nice. It's on the boat. Oh. Got him. Don't do that. Almost done with this thing. It's got maybe one hit left. Good, no one came from behind. Fools. Aye. Hey. Take that. Oh my. Broke my thing. Standard Zephos. Zilios, or whatever it's supposed to be. Alright, so can I jump up high is the question. Get that treasury.
Let us touch the warmth again, please.
Okay, this is gonna hurt. Oh. Shit.
How I miss
Another statue, drop of radiance. Even better armor. Oh. No repair? Oh, good. Yeah, it looks like everything's cleared. Even those, so as they go top right-ish.
I feel alive.
Dodged.
I can feel. We're so cold.
No time. Ooh. Not just yet. Thought I was up this way before. Okay, there is a hidden stash I did miss, but I don't think it's like special items, just some extra stuff that would be helpful. Sealed. Don't know how to go about that, but we'll go in here. Ah, across the river Leth. Alright, so pig, crab, bird. What does it mean? I'll try the crab. What is this? Pig. I don't want a pig, I want the crab. The crab, let's see if this helps. Crab, bird, octopus, let's try the bird. Dolphin, no. Octopus, nope. Bird. Octopus, oxen, bird. Oh, that's weird. Let's get the oxen. There it is. Dolphin, snake, octopus. So snake is what we're looking for. There's your dolphin. Octopus. Looking for a snake. Snake. Octopus. It's different stuff, so it's like, I'm not sure if I'm wrong or right. I'm a dolphin. Fish. Dolphin. Alright, I don't think this is working. I feel like I'm going in circles. Ox. If I just randomize, remember the animals that are carved on the wall. Proceed through the one that is missing. Okay. Snake, boar, dolphin. Octopus. I've already won. Fish, horse, bird, boar, crab. Fish, horse, bird, boar, crab. Fish, horse, bird, boar, crab. Nope. Bird, boar, crab. Fish, crab. I think there's more this way. Fish, horse, bird. Oh, I don't think the snake. Very nice. This is much more complex. Wolf, horse, boar, dolphin. I think fish, like a fish would work. Okay, let's see if we can remember these. Okay. So I'm really hoping for like a fish.
Let us touch the warmth. I just...
Get out of my way. Get out of my way! Ouch.
We're so cold.
Good for you. Alright. There's one lower one. Actually, I might be able to get to it this way. Nope.
Warmth. I can feel.
So I think it's going to be to the right somewhere. Aw, dolphin.
How I miss
Octopus.
touch of
I think I might. It's wrong, I think, but I. Yeah. It starts at the beginning. Dog, bird, snake. Oxen. Bird, ox, boar, dolphin, snake. Boar, oxen, snake. Crab? I think the crab was unique. So now we have all the sea creatures. We're missing dog. Missing a dog. Dolphin, boar, snake, horse. Alright. Let's do the right first this time. Oh, was it crab? I just don't remember. Crab's in there. Okay.
warmth. I can feel.
Octopus was present. Oh, I already looked at that one. Dolphin. Dolphin, octopus. I think I had all the sea creatures. Don't know if the dolphin. Octopus is clearly there. Dolphin, octopus, yep. Or could be a squid, I guess. Snake. Is the snake there? Snake is there. Horse? A horse is there. Dog. Yes, the dog. The mechanism is like behind it. Alright, so before I do that, I'm going to try to take out those things over there on the right.
How I miss the touch of skin.
There we go. Sigil of the Necromancer. Lovely lockpick. Actually, it's craft. It seems safe in here. Nope. Very nice. Uh-oh. Through. All right. Who are you?
Rise from your graves and avenge us.
Get bone dust, graveyard dirt, forbidden amount spell able to raise warriors, 2 spectral birds of prey. How much is this? Oh, just let you have it. Sweet. Aye. Alright. I don't know if that helps hurts or what. It's just a tangent doing that. So now I'm just gonna head full left.
I feel
Ouch. Oh, the screen cracked. Ah, there may have been something up to the left. A shield for sure.
You.
Uh-oh.
You send me to hell and now you follow to mock my spirit? I
Uh-oh.
will relish squeezing the light from your
I
eye!
need to heal real fast.
Ah!
Seriously? Use that spell. Oh. Very nice. How come I didn't? I thought I had something, but I guess I didn't. Very good. Oh, hello.
Mortal in flesh brings his warmth to my cold halls. To what do I owe the pleasure? We cannot return your loved ones to life. It has only brought trouble in the past. Whosoever comes into our domain remains forevermore.
No, he comes to ask for the return of spring to the world above. He bears the same sadness in his soul as my mother, Demeter. Zeus has severed the links between mortal and divine. The seeds of spring are forever buried underground, regardless of my will. But perhaps it is time to relinquish my powers of renewal. It is, after all, what keeps us apart for so long, my husband. A strong sprout must break through the hard earth to see sunlight, but many more are trapped in the ground forever. Which are you, little seed?
Well, I will take the seeds of Persephone. The seeds of spring, long dormant under the earth, require a mother's touch to bring about prosperity and growth. Oh, it gave me health as well. I don't know if it's just temporary or possibly permanent. Oh, I'm already here, so let's just get this sorted. Hopefully it's not a fight.
You've returned? And
Yep.
with the gift of Persephone as well? I sympathize with your plight, Nicandrios, and I commend you for your courage. I do not wish to see your people die as Zeus decrees. Once before, I was nearly the cause of your extinction, and it has brought me nothing but remorse. In some small way, perhaps this will atone for my wrongdoings. With the combined strength of spring and growth, go and bring life to lands where I cannot.
Oh, the sheaf of Demeter. Let's see. Food items replenish more health. Sown, ripped, and reaped by the goddess of the harvest. This golden bundle of plentiful grain carries the power of renewal and growth. I'll float up further higher. All objectives, yes. So what does it tell me now? Return to the Olympian Gates. And I'm sure some important plot point will happen at that point. But until then, I'll catch y'all in the next episode.